Hello everyone, you're welcome to my YouTube channel. Today I'm going to teach you how to start up in Premiere Pro, how to edit with Premiere Pro. This is not an advanced class, it's for those that are beginners and those that just want to learn how to do the basic edits in Premiere Pro. So once you open your Premiere Pro, this is the first thing that you're going to see. That's what's on the screen right now. So over here we have new projects, we have open project, we have new team project, we have open team project. So what we are going to be considering today is the new project. So you click on it, first of all, which is the name, then you name the project. Let's just name it new training, right? New trainings. Then the next one is the location. That's where you want it to be saved. I will not want to bore us with all these settings. Just leave it the way they are. Okay, we'll click on OK. Okay, so once it's open, this is what you're going to see. You're going to be faced with these four interface: 1, 2, 3, 4. You understand? So first thing you need to do, you just go to File and then you click on Import. It will take you straight to your system. You locate where the video is that you want to edit. The next thing that we are going to do is to create a sequence. Now, how to create the sequence? You press on Ctrl N on your keyboard and it will create a sequence. Now all these are various settings, various forms of sequence that we may not go into. If you're going to go with the HDV 720p 30, it's okay for a start. So now we have created a sequence. Now everything that we're going to do here, the edit will be done here. Now sequence is like your board where you do everything that you're going to do. Your video, you click on it, you hold, and then you drag it down to the sequence. Now something like this will come out. Now what this thing means is that the sequence that you created has its own settings, and this video that you're going to drag to the sequence have their own settings, right? So what they are trying to tell you is, should we keep the settings of your sequence and then fix the video in line with the settings of your sequence, or should we change the settings of your sequence to automatically match the settings of your video? So that's what these two things mean. So what we're going to do here is to just click on keep existing sequence. We just want it to be the way it is. As you can see now, the video settings is larger than the sequence. How to settle this? You right click on the video, then you click on scale to frame size. Now what we did here was we now changed the video setting to be in line with the sequence setting that we have created. That's how to import. So the next thing that we are going to talk about right here is how to cut. Editing is all about cutting, right? If you want to cut in Premiere Pro, what you need to do is you press C on your keyboard. Immediately you press C on your keyboard, you see that the cursor has changed into something like a razor. You click. Now you have created a cut on this sequence. Now if you want it to be closer, if you want to maybe zoom closer so you see what you're doing, you press the plus sign on your keyboard. If you want to go backward, you press the minus sign, plus sign. So let's say you want to cut this part, then you drag it to where you want to cut it, or you just allow it to play to where you want to cut. If you see that maybe your RAM is actually struggling to play your video, what you need to do is to come over here and reduce the resolution of your video maybe to half or to 1/4. Now this will not affect the video. What this thing will do is that it will just reduce the resolution for you while you edit. So when you're done editing, you change it back to full, so you just render. So now to deactivate this razor, that's when you're done cutting, you press V on your keyboard. So you click on the part that you want to edit and then you press delete on your keyboard. So either you click on this to bring it closer, or you click on the space, you right click, and then you click on Ripple Delete. It will just come closer. So the next thing that we're going to talk about is transition, right? To put transition in Premiere Pro, you come to Effects. So when you come to Effect, you see on video transition, we have other transitions here. We have video transitions, we have audio transitions, we have video effect, we have audio effect. So we'll click on the video transition, and anyone, you can use anyone. So for example, let's just use this cross dissolve. I love using cross dissolve. But first of all, you zoom in closer, which is the plus sign on your keyboard, so you can see what you're doing. Then you click, hold, and then you drag and drop. Now if you play, you see, voila, you can see it. Yeah, so that is the transition. Then we also have audio transition as well. Maybe you want to transition from one audio to another audio, you come to audio transition, you click on. Now we have just three. Either use constant gain, constant power, and exponential fade. Okay, so you just use it like that, and that's it. So that's it for the transition, you know. So the next thing that we're going to learn today is how to include text in your Premiere Pro. So you come to File, New, come to File, New, and then you go to Legacy Title. As you can see, Legacy Title. Now it will open this drop box. Just click on OK. Now this is the title bar where you can put all your titles, right? You can do a whole lot of things here. Okay, so you click on your title, which is this first one, as you can see here, type tool. Then you click on the screen. Now your cursor is blinking. Your cursor, immediately you click on the screen, the property of the title that you want to type, they've all come down here. So you just type, let's just type hello world. Yes, so you drop it. Now this is it. Now if you're not very cool with the font, you can just come here. Now if you can see, we have the font family, the font style. You come here, click down, and then you pick any font you want. Okay, and then if you're not cool with the color, you come down here to color, and then you pick any color you want. Okay, now if you want to move the text from here to anywhere you want to drop the text, just click and hold. It will move. Just click and hold to anywhere that you want to drop it. It will move to wheresoever you want to drop it. Okay, let's say I want to drop it on top here. Yep, so that's it. So you now click cancel. Now if you see now the text icon, the text thumbnail is here, just like we have the video thumbnail. Just click, hold, and then you drag and place it where you want the text to be. You understand? You can click, hold, drag it, place it where you want the text to be. Then also remember the transition. You can also put the transition. That's how you want the text to come. Hope you still remember how to include transition, how you want the text to come. You can still do that here as well. Let's still go to cross dissolve. Just click, hold, and then you place it. Then you see that the text will dissolve into the video. So that's it. You can just play with it. Now you can see that your video is ready. As you can see in this video, we have covered how to import your video, how to create a sequence, how to put the video in your timeline, how to cut, transition, your text. So for now, we are going to render this video, that we're going to export this video into a file. So how to export it? Remember what I said here, that when you're about exporting, you click on this and then you send it back to the full resolution. So that's it. So when you want to export, you click on file and then you go to export. Either you go through this method or you press Ctrl M on your keyboard. So that's it. Now this is the export settings bar. So we have the format, which is H.264, which is the standard MP4 format. Then this is the preset. Now this preset now talks about the various forms or how you want to render the video. As you can see, we have high quality, we have mobile, we have YouTube, you know. So let's just pick high quality 720. That's how I want to render it, and then every other thing should be the way it is. Then you have to click on where you want to render the video, which is here. Like you come here, output name, you click on it, it will take you to your system where you want to render the video. You put the name of the video, training, and then you take note of where you're rendering it to, you understand. Then you click on save, and then always check this button, use maximum render quality. Always check this button. So once you're done with it, you click on export, and it will take some time to export depending on the type of system you're using, depending on the type of RAM, your system processor. So that's it. That's the basics of how to edit in Premiere Pro. Now with this video, I believe you can be able to start up your own project. You can be able to start your first project and edit your first project. So thank you for watching. If this video was helpful, please hit the subscribe button, hit the like button, and please do share this video to someone that wants to start his or her journey in video editing. And if there's any other thing that you want me to train you about concerning media, please do well to drop in the comment section. Once again, thank you for watching, and see you in the next video. Thank you. Bye bye.